Hi there! Today we're going to show you how easy it is to fit your Valley Mill house sign. This instructional video is for our house signs with hidden fixings such as our premium Welsh slate house signs and oak house signs. Included with your house sign is a fitting and fixing kit and a set of instructions too. You will receive the appropriate number of galvanised steel pins depending on the size of your sign and plenty of glue gel. You will also need a pencil or marker, a 5mm masonry drill bit, a drill and a spirit level. To attach the steel pins, you need to carefully turn over your house sign. Here you will see the pre-drilled holes which you will be filling with glue. To open, unscrew the entire of the top of the glue and turn the lid over. Now push the upside down lid into the top of the tube to pierce it. Attach the lid back to the tube and unscrew the top part of the lid to reveal the nozzle. Now you can fill each of the holes in your sign with the glue gel. Push the steel pins into the holes and allow these to dry fully for a recommended 4 hours. Now you need to mark out onto your wall where you would like to attach your house sign. First, hold out your house sign against your desired wall and make sure you use a spirit level to ensure your house sign is straight and level. Now mark out your drill holes above each steel pin whilst they are pressed against the wall. Take into account that doing this will result in your sign being slightly higher than your initial placement. Carefully drill approximately 75mm deep into the marks with a 5mm masonry drill bit. Before you add the glue gel, first press your house sign into place to make sure that it is flush against the wall and that you have drilled your holes deep enough. Now fill the drilled holes with the glue gel before pressing your house sign into place. Well done! You've successfully fitted your house sign. You now deserve that warm drink and chocolate biscuit.